Hey everyone, this is Cade Larson. I am in AEP 800 and this is mini assignment number 3. So one great app that I've found to use that could help not only you but also your students is called Evernote. I hadn't heard about this, and now that I see it, if I taught anything other than math, I would be using this every chance I got. It's a great note-taking app. There's different plans you can choose from. You can have the free one, or you can upgrade and pay for the premium one. Or if you have a bunch of people that want to get together to use it, you can pay the $15 for it. Just a bunch of different things you can get for the basic premium and business one. So you can do a ton with this app. I will log in here and kind of show you a few things. So one of the things you can do, once you get logged in, you just come over here and you can click New Note. There's a bunch of different ones. You've got a blank note, lecture notes, there's essay outlines, a weekly planner. That would be great for your students who struggle making sure they get certain things done. They can make a planner for it. There's a meeting note. That'd be a great one for you for any staff meetings you have. You can make a to-do list, project plan, meal planner. Doesn't have to be just educational purposes. You can use it outside life, your daily reflection, stuff like that. We'll just click on one here, and it gives you the outline of what you should be doing. I'll click on a different one. You can obviously tell pretty easily that what you can and can't do. It's definitely an app worth going through and figuring out, because you can obviously see there's a lot of upside to this. So just a bunch of different templates. A great thing, you can go after the fact and you can print off your notes. So that's a huge helper there. Or you can even go up to this little button up here in the top right and click share, and it'll give you a link so you can share it to other people. You can also invite them to it, but for that I think you have to have the upgraded version. You can't let them just view it if you're doing the free version, or you can only let them view it if you're doing the free version. So that is Evernote. I think it's a great app. You guys should definitely give it a look. So thank you very much.